Hey, you know what I want, right? I got you on video, man. Yo, check you out on the Kaisertown Chronicle.
Oh, that somebody had that earlier?
That's me. It's me 4 days ago, man. When
Okay.
there's 12 of us out here, what do I want?
Chocolate with cherry dip.
There you go. Oh, yeah, we got the whole gang here. Hi, happy 4th of July. I gotta get some money. That might help. Fourth of July ice cream. This is great. This is my last. This is my last ice cream, man. You gotta stop coming around my way. I'm on to you. Thank you. Happy.